Today we're going to build and fly the LEGO 70647 called Dragon Master. Here's your box. It says 92 pieces. There's how you fly it and all. Okay, let's open it up. There's one bag. Another bag. Directions. There's your instruction manual. Ninjago Dragon Master. There's your first bag. See if we can open it. Well, let's cut it, I guess. Couldn't tear it. There's first bag of pieces. There's the small bag. That's the small pieces. Alright, here they are. Spread them out a little bit and let's build this thing, okay? Alright, there's your propeller. Your little man and his unit fits right in there and twist. I think he's ready to fly. This is part of the wings and all. There is the wings. You got to punch it out. There you go. See how it does it? All the way around. It'll come right off there. Alright, there is your wings. That's pretty good looking, isn't it? Okay, let's see if we can put it together. First off, we gotta punch out that middle section too. Forgot about that. Be real careful and don't tear it. It's got some sharp corners. Okay, there it is. Now let's fit our wings section on there. So go there. Fold it around, it slips over the end there, like that, holds it together. There's your wing. Okay. Your Lego figure and the propeller and all snap right in there. Yeah, right in there. Right there. There you go. See how it twirls? Let's put it together and see how it spins and flies or whatever here. Slips right in that little hole there like the end of a gun barrel. This is your propeller twirler, your gears on it. It makes everything spin. Slips right in there. See how it hits those gears, makes it spin the other way. Then you just pull it out like that. That's the way it goes. Now let's go outside and see if we can fly this a little bit. Here's our first flight. Remember how it fits in the end of the holder there like a gun barrel? Right there. There's your pull cord. It'll only go in one way. Right there. Alright, let's give it a twirl. Not much of a flyer, is it? Let's try it again. Pull it out real quick. Still not much of a flyer, is it? One more time. I know it don't fly very good, but it is a Lego and it's fun to build. There we go, flew a little better. Alright, we'll see you next time.